Diego. Hey, look at this. If I hit the dog.
Diego, where'd you go? Oh, Rex says, hey, love me.
Okay.
Love me, love me. Oh, he's a love bug.
Yeah. So smart. Oh. Okay.
No, Mommy doesn't want you. Go back to Sabrina.
Come here. Oh, yes. What is that? Oh, good boy. Both of you are so smart. Yes, my father. Here, look. What's that? Come here. Ah.
These are male Cavapoos. Diego is white and merle, and Rex is merle. Okay, go back to Sabrina. Go back to Sabrina.
Come on. Come here. Oh, yes.
They'll
Diego?
probably, they'll probably get to about 15 pounds. King Charles Cavalier and Poodle mix. They both have beautiful thick coats. You can't see how pretty Rex is because his is a black and a brown.
Not my kids right now. Diego.
Just sit there and call them. They'll come back.
Diego. Rex.
Beat the floor.
Come on. Come here. Oh. Yeah. Now earlier you played with your toys.
Hit and run.
Oh yeah. That's the best way to do it.
Good boys.